Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to change the screen timeout period on your Huawei Band 9. So begin by waking up the screen of your band. Then you want to press on the button to access the app screen. From here, you want to scroll until you get to settings, tap on it, and under settings, you want to select display and brightness. From here, you want to scroll down until you get to this option sleep, tap on it, and then you have different periods for you to choose from. So by default, it's set to auto, but you can choose to change it to 10, 15, or 20 seconds. It's up to you. And then once you select your timeout period, you want to confirm your choice, and that will be your new timeout period. You can always come back to change it if you don't like the current timing that you've chosen. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.